what is this box in the police tape? Who is
Ulit nga.
Okay na yan. Oy, ika-cut out ko na lang. Who is the ghost? There is a girl laughing right now. There is a ghost here. Very scary. Okay. Back to the game. They are going to play the dance right now. How do you match? Hindi ako nakamatch. No! No!
No! Even is the boy.
Okay, I'm going to go. Bye-bye. I'm going to
Stop
go.
laughing, bro.
This is the game. Everyone that is watching this video, this is the game. Scary. It's a scary game.
Stop laughing, bro.
Scary game. And
We haven't heard a single word. Okay, let's go. What is that?
we have a random girl that has no YouTube. And I don't know
No, random girl.
what is his
no random
username.
girl.
What? Bro, this update is
Oh
terrible.
no! What is this?
This update is terrible.
Cockroach.
This update is
I am
terrible.
high. Bro, you ain't even helping.
Bro, where is the ad?
Bro, he's not even here yet. Okay. Look at the camera, bro.
Bro, I can't run. Why can't I can't run? What's the why? What's
It's
the
a low
why?
stamina, bro.
Bro, I have high stamina. I cannot run.
Oh no, there is Poco.
Okay, I have the watch.
Stop laughing, bro. Poco is here. I have the big P. Bro, the big P is not here yet.
Guys, everyone watching this
Guys,
video.
wait. Guys, wait.
What?
Don't leave. Here. Where is the big P? Bro, just stop.
I cannot
Hey,
run.
kid, where is you?
I cannot run.
Hey,
I swear.
kid, where is you? Bro, you can totally see the highlights.
Bro, what
Why the
oh,
fuck are you
yeah.
laughing?
Come on,
no.
get the camera. Get the
no,
camera. Where's the hell is the Pokong? Come on.
Where's the big key, bro?
Yes. Perfect timing. Everyone watching is gonna speedrun this because 15 minutes TikTok YouTube is gonna ban this.
I'm pro. We're about to get shit down by I'm GoPro. Now why the fuck did you open the curtain, bro? There is
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Where is you? Brother, what is you?
Oh my goodness.
Maybe not. Oy, brother. Shut the left me, brother. Bro, what the fuck? There's to go. There's Pokong. Bro, the fucking...
Ah! Bro, I died, bro. Are you...
I love that. No, I saw you.
I died for the first time.
No! Bro, I just made the speed pose. Bro, I told you not to go in there.
Nakita mo bike ko? Ganda. He's right there, bro. He's right there.
Shit. Bro, he's right here.
Nah.
Go away. Hey you. Hey you, not go there. That's very
Go to the toilet. Go to the toilet.
Shit.
Bro, you're gonna die. Bro. You're gonna die.
I ate, bro.
Okay. That's kind of good.
Bro, is he gone?
Yeah, he's gone. Bro, get the... Oh no. He's dead. I mean, she's dead.
Brother! What? I'm the only hope, bro.
Pinson, go in the bathroom now.
Wait.
Go in the bathroom now.
No, wala. I mean, there's nothing. Bro, you can speak Filipino. I don't.
Bro, okay, he teleported. He teleported. Out, bro. He teleported. I'm dead.
Bro, what the fuck is that round thing?
Go in the toilet and get the clipboard.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's a perfect timing. Is the big P is the big P here?
No. If you hear the footsteps getting bigger, he's near. And if your screen goes red.
I fucking saw the body, bro. I fucking saw the body.
Run, Delta run, Delta run. I'm just kidding, bro.
Oh yeah, survival instincts of a Navy SEAL.
Navy SEAL. Okay, teleported. He teleported, bro. He teleported. The clipboard is
I'm going
right
to fuck
there.
in.
The clipboard
I'm
is
going
right
to fuck
there.
in, bro. I'm going to fuck in.
Yes. Nothing.
I
Nothing.
know doubt this, bro. I know doubt this. See. I swear if he opens this door, I'm done for.
Okay, teleported. He teleported, bro. He teleported. Oh my goodness.
See, bro. I'm sweating right now. Is he gone?
Yeah. Bro, that's the ID card. The ID card.
Okay. I got the picture. I can see through the window if he's here or not. I just gotta go straight there. I just gotta go straight there. Take a picture of that big P. Is he gone? Is he gone?
Oh, bro, your screen's getting red.
Bro, why is my screen not getting red? Is he trying to lure me out? I see, bro. He went.
Is he gone? Go in the doctor's table. Kalalal, kalalal, kalalal.
See, bro, what the fuck does he know where I'm going? We gotta go.
Bro, get all of it in. And then take a picture. Go get her. Go get her. Come on, he's right there. Come on. No way. Oh, bro, he's just right beside you. He's right beside
Guys,
you.
shut up.
Oh my goodness, bro.
What the fuck?